Hello. This is how to connect your Watch 9 Ultra to your phone, and set the time and date, using the Fitpro application. This is the C9 Ultra Smartwatch. As you can see, the time on my smartwatch and my phone are not matching. To set the time, you will need to pair the phone and the smartwatch. The first step is to scan the QR code on your smartwatch to check which application your watch is using. As you can see, my watch is using the Fitpro application. If your watch is using other application, you can skip this video to 2 minutes. Download and install the Fitpro application from your application store. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone. Next step, open the Fitpro application and click on Set. Click on Bind Devices. The phone will now look for the watch. Click on the smartwatch name on the screen to connect the smartwatch. As you can see, the watch has been connected successfully to my phone and the time and calendar have been updated. If this tutorial is not working for you, or the time is not updating even after connecting, please find a video in the top left corner with 10 possible solutions. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.